Welcome to Isotopia, a global pioneer in cancer theragnostics. We specialize in lutetium-177. At Isotopia, we lead the industry, setting global benchmarks with our cutting-edge solutions. Our lutetium-177 is authorized for use in numerous countries, reflecting our commitment to international health standards. Equipped with the latest technology, our manufacturing facilities efficiently meet the global demand. Our focus is on significantly improving treatment outcomes, delivering personalized, effective theranostic solutions. Our dedicated account managers ensure a seamless experience, from order placement to post-delivery support. Partner with us at Isotopia as we continue to innovate and lead in the theragnostic field, dedicated to enhancing patient lives worldwide. Together, we are shaping the future of personalized medicine.